quick video here on comparing fractions. Here I've got three lists of fractions. And I'm going to put them in ascending order. I want to put them in order from smallest up to largest. Now, this first list here, list A in red, is probably the easiest one of the three lists to put in order. All of these have got the same denominator. So all I really need to do is look at the numerator, the number on the top. So the smallest one I've got is 1 out of 5. The next one up will be 3 out of 5. The next one up will be 4 out of 5. And then the largest one will be 7 out of 5. Now, that hopefully won't come as a surprise to any of you if you think of a bar split up into 5 bits. 1/5 means I've got one of those coloured in, 3/5 is 3 of them, 4/5 is 4 of them, and then, 7/5 means I've got the whole bar plus 2 extra boxes. Now, you may look at lists B and C here and think, well, these are just as difficult as one another because our denominators, the type of fractions we've got, are different. And I mean, with C, we've only got one way we can tackle C. The most efficient way to tackle C is to rewrite the 4 fractions so they have the same denominator. So in this case, I can make all 4 of the numbers 20. So 3 out of 4, if I multiply the top and bottom of that by 5, I'll get 15 out of 20. 4 out of 5, multiplying the top and bottom by 4 this time, will give me 16 out of 20. A half, we should recognise that as just being 10 out of 20. And 7 out of 10, I can double the top and bottom to get 14 out of 20. So this means in ascending order, 1/2 is first. Next up, 14 out of 20, so 7 out of 10. 15 out of 20, so 3/4. Then 4/5 for your 16 out of 20. Now, you might think, well, the denominators are different here, so I'm going to have to do the same thing as I did in C, but that's not the case. All of these have got the same numerator. It's 1 out of 5, 1 out of 3, 1 out of 4, 1 out of 7. And this is actually just as easy as question A to put in order, if we take a second to think about what these fractions mean. 1/5 means I've got a bar and I've split it into 5 pieces. And 1/5 is the size of one of those pieces. Now, if I had 1/3, it basically means take the same bar and split it into 3 pieces, which is a bigger chunk. Likewise, 1/2 means split it into 2 pieces. So it means 1/2 is an even bigger share. And 1/7, take your bar, this is a tricky bit, trying to split it into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's pretty bad, but never mind. Well, that's ended up as a small slice because I've had to share it out between 7. So just by looking at the fractions, I can put them in order. 1 divided by 7 is going to be the smallest amount. Then 1 divided by 5 is going to be the next biggest amount. 1 divided by 3, that's going to be a bigger share. And then 1 divided by 2 would be a share bigger than that. So here I've been able to order it by just carefully considering what the actual fractions mean. So in some cases we are forced to give them same denominators, but in other cases like A, which you would probably have spotted, but B as well, we're able to order them by carefully considering them.